So here we observe these four types of diagrams. These are all parabolas. So in the first diagram we observe. So in this diagram, so x-axis is the principal axis. Similarly, L equal to directrix. So this is directrix. This is focus. This is axis. Here we observe. This is the one line segment joining 2 points P and Q. Clearly we observe P and Q are lies on the parabola. Any 2 points, P and Q are any 2 points. Here we join these two. One line segment is there. Now this type of line segment, any conic, the line joining any 2 points on the any conic, that line segment is called chord. So here also in that P and Q are always lies on the parabola, and joining these two we get one line segment that can be treated as chord. So this is the chord of the parabola. Line joining any 2 points on the parabola is called a chord. This is the definition of chord. Similarly, in the second diagram we observe this is the chord. Already told in first diagram. So here we observe this is not perpendicular to the axis, but here the chord is always perpendicular to the axis and also passing through the variable point xy. Passing through the variable point xy. So here this type of chord perpendicular to the axis, that chord is called double-ordinate. So this is the double-ordinate. The definition of double-ordinate is any chord passing through variable point and perpendicular to axis. Perpendicular to axis of parabola. Perpendicular to axis of parabola, that is called perpendicular to axis of parabola and passing through variable point. Passing through variable point. So that is called double-ordinate. So this is the definition of double-ordinate. Here we observe double-ordinate is also chord, but which is always perpendicular to axis. Similarly, in the third one we observe any chord. This is not a double-ordinate because of this is not perpendicular to axis. So this is the chord. And we observe this is S, that means focus. So any chord passing through the focus to the parabola, any chord passing through the focus of the parabola, that chord is called focal chord. So any chord of the parabola passing through the focus only, that is called focal chord. Passing through focus. Passing through focus. That is called focal chord. So this is one more important term. So finally, in that we observe, so P is the variable point and PQ are line joining points of the chord, and also which is always perpendicular to axis, also passing through the focus. So this is not perpendicular, but here PQ is perpendicular, PQ is chord. Already perpendicular condition is there. Now this is also double-ordinate. Already passing through the focus, so this is also focal chord. And also any focal chord passing through the perpendicular to the axis. Any focal chord perpendicular to the axis, that is called latus rectum. That is called latus rectum. Now the definition of latus rectum is A double-ordinate passing through focus. A double-ordinate passing through focus is called latus rectum. Now clearly we observe in the axis is bisects the conic. Now this part and this part, SP and SQ, SP equal to SQ is always equal. So focus is the midpoint of PQ. S is midpoint of PQ. S is midpoint of PQ. So this is the definition of latus rectum. This is one more important term. So here this is the chord focus. This is the chord. In that second diagram, this is the double-ordinate. Any chord passing through the point P and perpendicular to the axis. So this is the focal chord. Any chord passing through the focus only, that is called focal chord. So here any double-ordinate is passing through focus, the type of double-ordinate is called latus rectum. These are more important terms for this parabola also.